cool. All right. Yay!
Hey, what is up guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toastybros, and today we're going to be checking out the $400 pre-built system from Computer Upgrade Kings.
Let's get right into it, shall we? But first, a word from today's sponsor.
You know, dude, I've been having so many issues lately just getting views on my YouTube videos, and I can't figure it out, man.
Well, that is a perfect thing that you just mentioned, because right here is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an awesome tool to help you grow on YouTube with a keyword optimization search engine tool, and also the ability to plan out your videos and overall get better analytics compared to YouTube alone.
Where has this been all my life?
You can check it out in the description down below and use that link because it helps us out. Now, into the video. So yes, we know a majority of you who watch our videos like to build PCs because we build a lot of PCs on the channel, but every so often we like to work with our friends over at Computer Upgrade King to check out some of their pre-built offerings, and this one for $400, well, you just see, is kinda a cool and interesting PC for you to check out.
So what we have here is the Computer Upgrade King Continuum Micro ATX case, and really just computer build. So the important things to note about this system is that it is a Ryzen 2400G using the onboard graphics.
Now yes, this is an APU system, but for $400 in a tower that looks like this, you have a lot of room to upgrade. And also, if you're somebody who just doesn't want to build a PC, or you want to buy a PC for somebody who doesn't want to build a PC, this could be a good starting point for you. So what we're going to be doing is running this thing through some tests, our normal benchmark runs, to see what kind of performance you can expect on a 2400G APU in this configuration, and then kind of come back here and recap what we think of this system and some other alternatives if you're considering building as well. Alright guys, so now that I've had time to benchmark the PC and also kind of form some opinions on the idea of pre-built systems versus building on your own, let's go ahead and discuss some of those topics. Now I'm going to go ahead and discuss the idea of pre-built systems versus building your own PC. Now this is a very controversial topic that a lot of people in the PC building community just think is stupid to do. Going out of your way to buy a system that's already made for you kind of seems like a waste of money when building a PC in 2019 is so easy. Well, here are a couple reasons that I do recommend people out there who may want to build their own PC but are kind of scared of doing may be better off going with a pre-built system like this. Building a PC is easier than you think, but troubleshooting a PC sometimes is a lot harder than you might think, and that's something PC builders overlook. Yeah, you can teach somebody how to build a PC, but then having to troubleshoot it when one thing doesn't work and they don't have any experience with troubleshooting methodology, being able to go through one step at a time, testing whether or not the RAM works, the motherboard works, the processor works, all that different stuff, to just come down and realize that one part of your system doesn't work, and then you have to just send that one part off and wait for the RMA to come back. There's a long, complicated process with that, especially if you're a new system builder. Sometimes you could wait multiple weeks if something goes wrong to actually get your system up and running properly. And with a offering like Computer Upgrade King, for $400, you're going to get a system that does come with a warranty. So if there's anything wrong with the system that you get in-house, you send that computer right back to Computer Upgrade King, they fix the problem, and they'll send it right back to you. That is much easier than having to troubleshoot something yourself and not having anybody who can really help you out. Another thing that ties into that is if you're wanting to get a system for somebody else that you know within your family, whether it's somebody who's younger, older, or somebody who just wants a PC for X reason, like this example, this $400 PC would be a good option for somebody who wants to get into gaming a little bit, while also just having a computer that can do schoolwork, office work, and all those other basic tasks that having a desktop computer is very viable for. Buying a pre-built system from Computer Upgrade King is a great option because they don't have to come to you for the troubleshooting advice. Yes, I know how it feels to be the person in the family who is tech support and always has to answer questions from people who I work with or help give them a system. Sometimes it can be very annoying. Yeah, family is great and all, but sometimes you're a very busy person. Having somebody take that load off of you could be really beneficial, and thinking as somebody who, well, wants to save some time and not have to troubleshoot everything with everybody, well, maybe buying the pre-built system would be a better option because they literally have a customer support team that can help them through those problems and, well, save you a little bit of headaches. Now let's talk about this system in particular. The main focus that Computer Upgrade King was going for with this system was a really pretty system, which they did a really good job of doing with the Continuum case. That RGB mirror effect is really nice. Jackson and I are a big fan of it, but then also not compromising too much on performance. $400 for a Ryzen 5 2400G system is actually very respectable. Yes, there are a lot of alternatives that you could do to spend $400. You could get a less blingy case if you're building on your own and get something with a dedicated graphics card, but that's not what you're going for with this system. The idea of this system is to get somebody started. Yes, again, I know I'm still going to get comments down below of people saying that they shouldn't spend that much money on a case when they could add a graphics card. And in most cases, if you're a system builder and someone who's always trying to get the best bang for your buck, that's probably the best option for you. But there are a lot of people out there who really value aesthetics, and for entry-level people, this could be a good option for them. And also the fact how they set this system up to where it's super easy to upgrade it. All you would have to do is slap a graphics card in, pull the PCI power from the back of the system, and boom, you have an easily upgradable system that's going to be very capable for 2019 gaming. And as you can see from the benchmarks on screen right now, even with the integrated graphics, it's not too bad. We've benchmarked systems with Ryzen 5 2400Gs in it, and the Vega 11 graphics are pretty respectable in games like CSGO and Fortnite. But then when you dive into other titles, you do have to lower the settings to very low, if not 720p, to get a over 60 FPS experience. But the performance is honestly very respectable, and if you've seen any benchmarks and any recommendations of people telling you to go out and get an APU system, this thing isn't too far off from being an equivalent system that you could build on your own. I would challenge you in the comment section to really build a system using a 2400G that is way cheaper than this one. Yeah, you could probably get around the $300 to $350 mark, but paying the $100 price hike for a really nice case and honestly a really nice overall setup with the warranties involved from Computer Upgrade King, it kind of looks like a pretty decent bargain. And I would love to know in the comment section down below what you all think of this system. Again, think of it as an average consumer's perspective. Most of my PC enthusiast audience members are going to be like, well, I'd rather just build it myself. And in most cases, I would agree with you. Building it yourself, maybe using used parts, would be a better bang for your buck. But if you're somebody who wants the warranties, who really likes the look of this case, and wants a system that works well now and also has an upgrade path, the Continuum from Computer Upgrade King is honestly something you should consider looking at. And I highly suggest, if you're interested, checking the link in the description down below and using that link when you do purchase the system if you decide to do so. It does help us out a lot and shows Computer Upgrade King that our audience is very interested in their products. So thank you guys again for watching today's video. If you haven't done so already, please leave a like down below and comment Computer Upgrade King in the comment section down below if you made it this far. Let me know what you think of this case. We've considered asking Computer Upgrade King just for the case so we can use it in a PC build at some point. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and also following us on all our social media platforms in the description down below: Twitter, Instagram, and join our Discord server. We do a lot of fun stuff talking about tech, and if you're somebody who loves tech, we have all the content that you could ever desire. Thank you guys again for watching today's video, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Peace.